Tremblement de terre. Les poèmes pour tout que passe pas le bâtard. Faut se qu'elle bosse mit sur pas besoin de.
You said, oh, you fake hard name. I'm not going to say the word. All you fake hard guys to shut it right now. When you said that, I agreed with you. But that nonsense, the comments you did on that Twitter, I can't. Come on, bro. You gotta fix yourself with that. Listen, you a negmawon sal for doing it. You have to get yourself clean. Fix it up, man. Sorry.
Would you marry a Haitian man?
No. Hell no.
Would you marry a Jamaican man?
No. No Caribbean man at all.
Not one fresh off the boat.
I love my Caribbeans, but I'm gonna go for an African. No, ma'am. I got this one right here. We're good.
You know, when I say you gotta open the both of your eyes, like you wanna talk about, you wanna look out for guys in Chicago. Look, yeah. You wanna do business with these other big crazy companies. Before I get to that, let me tell you something else. Okay, let me tell you this now. What these other companies? You know how long La Jump been here waiting for you to do some nice fashion designer, real business, serious thing. You wanna go do big things. You wanna do big things, and then you wanna use your skin color when it's convenient for you. You don't do that, man. And why you use that skin color for anything? If somebody is paying attention to that, let them be ignorant on their own. You can be using that. Like you're not, are you that ignorant too? You calling out fake. Me, I'm calling you out. You the last billionaire to go to Haiti who met with the Haitian president before he got assassinated. Huh? You have nothing to say about that. You went to Haiti, you see what was going on. You got no comment about none of that. Now all of a sudden, they kick you, whatever, these companies, big companies, all of a sudden, oh, they're doing that to a black person. Oh, how can I be anti-Semitic? I'm black. Now you realize that. After you saying all them nonsense. Listen, if you're going to stand for somebody, stand for everybody. You can't pick one group. It's never going to work that way, bro. Anyway, love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. Yeah, my friend, you claim if somebody has a secret, do not tell you the secret because you're not going to keep nobody's secret. Anything you know as a secret, you're going to reveal it. Okay, beautiful. Now, what's the secret that was revealed?